In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete or disable an API key, such as a YouTube API key, in the Google Cloud Console. Whether you're cleaning up unused keys for security purposes or simply need to remove outdated ones, this guide will take you through the process step by step to ensure you complete this task smoothly and efficiently. So, let's jump right in. First, we need to begin by opening the Google Cloud Console. This is your main hub for managing your cloud resources, and you'll want to make sure you're logged in with the correct account. Once you're in, you'll see a list of all your projects. Select the specific project that contains the API key you wish to delete. This is important because API keys are bound to individual projects, and deleting a key will affect only the project it's associated with. Now that you've chosen the right project, turn your attention to the menu on the left side of the screen. There, navigate to the APIs and Services section. You'll find this link leading to the Credentials page. The Credentials page is essentially where all your API keys and other credentials are managed. It's a good place to occasionally review, ensuring all your active keys are still necessary and secure. Once you're on the Credentials page, locate the section labeled API Keys. Here you should see a list of all the API keys that belong to your project. Take a close look at the list to find the key you want to delete. If you have a lot of keys, they will be listed with descriptive names, so make sure you're deleting the correct one. Next to the key you wish to remove, look for a trash can icon or a delete button. In some versions of the Google Cloud Console, you might need to first click on the key's details to see the Delete Key option. Regardless of the version you're using, your goal is to locate where you can initiate the deletion process. Clicking the Delete option will prompt a confirmation dialog. This is essentially Google Cloud's way of double-checking that you want to proceed. Make sure you're certain about your decision, because once confirmed, this action cannot be undone. Confirm the deletion to remove the key permanently. Upon successful deletion, keep in mind that the API key you just deleted will no longer be available or usable for API calls. This is crucial, especially if the key was being used in active applications. You'll need to replace it with a new one if the application still requires access. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to manage your API keys by removing an unnecessary or outdated one. If you ever need to revisit this process, remember that maintaining control over your API keys is vital to ensuring the security of your applications and data. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to explore more features in the Google Cloud Console to continue enhancing your project's security and performance.